Hello dear viewers, welcome to TV Mathshub. This is your study pattern for competitive exams. Here you will find different questions, clear solutions, and the guidance you need to succeed. Subscribing is completely free. It is just your way of appreciating our work and supporting the channel. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and let's learn together. Hello dear viewers, welcome to TV Mathshub. For those that are here for the first time, we welcome you all. And for those that haven't subscribed to TV Mathshub, please kindly do so. Simply hit in the subscribe button and you will automatically be subscribed. Subscribing is free of charge. There is no cost that is associated to subscribing. It is simply a sign that you are appreciating the work that we are doing. So please kindly subscribe to this channel so you will always be updated of whatever we shall be uploading. So today I want to take you through applied mathematics. This is a resource mock and it will help you in your revision. So let us go through some of the questions. So here we have questions from 1 up to 4. So we have questions from 5 to 7. Please try these questions here. In case of any challenges, in case you want any help in some of the numbers, feel free to put it in the comment section and I will surely go through it. And in case you are interested in the question paper for your revision, please find it in the description. I will put the link where you can easily download the question paper so you can easily try some of these numbers. So we are coming to the final hours. Please make sure now you intensify your calculations. Try as many numbers as possible so you can be ready for the final examinations. So this is about section A, and now let us look at section B. So this is section B. Please ensure that you try some of these numbers. So try some of these numbers. So that's all about the resource mock. Please try these numbers here. They will help you during your revision. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It is surely important to us. It is a sign of appreciation that you really appreciate the work that we put forward. And don't forget that we always upload different papers with their proposed marking guides. And in case you haven't got some, please check in our playlists. You will find some of these papers. So that's about the resource mock, and have a great revision time now.